Guys, you're welcome once again to another video. Now, this is a platform. Let me say, it's an investment platform in Ghana. Here, most people are invested their money and they are making a lot of money from this platform. So, a colleague just sent me the link to register on this platform and start making money from this platform because he said he has able to reduce some amount of money after depositing 100 cedis from this platform. So guys, I'm going to take you through this platform for you to see if this platform is real or not before you decide to invest on this platform. So this is the raw, that is the home of this platform. This is the home of this platform, and as you can see, we have recharge, we have withdrawal, and then they have device, they have YF live fund, and then when you scroll here, you see member lists and you see the amount of money that some of them are withdrawing from this platform. So this is also a team site whereby you refer people and they become members, they become your team members, and then whatever they are going to earn, you are also going to earn some amount of money from their earnings. So team recharge, number of teams, number of first charge. So this is about the team. And then let me move on to their profit side, and this is how the profit is look like. So they have VIP zero. That means that with the VIP zero, you haven't deposited or that haven't recharged your accounts yet. But with VIP one, you have to recharge 100 cedis and hourly earning. So they are saying every hour you are going to earn 0.2, and daily every 24 hours you get 6 cedis if you recharge your account with 100 Ghana cedi, and then so monthly you are going to get 187 cedis, and annual you will get 2,277 cedis. So this is how the platform look like this. So they have VIP 1 up to VIP 3. So the minimum amount is 100 cedis, and then the maximum is about 300,000 Ghana cedis. So this is how the app look like. So they have first level, they have second level, and then they have third level. So they are divided their profit margin. So let me go to this side. You see, this is the service side. If you have a problem, this is the place where you are going to contact them directly. So I try to reach out to them, and let's see. So this is what I got. Yes, hello, I am sorry that we are temporarily unavailable to provide you with service. If you need help, please leave a message. So I'm told to leave a message and they will respond to the message. So this is the service part. So if you are going to this platform, just take note that you are not going to get them directly. Okay, so this is how the platform look like. So if you want to invest on this platform, you just have to take your time and then read everything here before you go on. So when you want to invest, or if you want to invest in this platform, you just hit on recharge, and you can recharge with USDT, you can recharge with MTN mobile, Vodafone, and then they have a lot of ways that you can use to recharge your account. And then we have the withdrawal. Still, if you have any profit, you can withdraw this. So withdrawal amount is 10 cedis. So after getting 10 cedi upwards, you can withdraw your money from this platform. So as people are making money from this platform, I won't say this platform is a scam, but one thing you should know that this platform can collapse at any point in time. So make sure that when you are investing it, you just take out your money every day or every 2 days. So guys, this is the new app out there. People are making money from this platform. See you. I'll pin the link of this platform in the description. You can just sign up, invest, and start making money online. See you.